What if a yellowed headlight one that has almost completely lost its clarity could be restored using nothing but cheap household items? Most people would take their car to a shop, buy an expensive polishing kit, or replace the entire headlight assembly prematurely. But today, I'm going to combine soap with a few inexpensive household solutions to create a DIY mixture and test it right here on this headlight. It sounds almost too simple, doesn't it? Stick around until the end of the video to see if this cloudy headlight can be made clear again, or if this is just an unreliable trick. First, I'm chopping up this piece of soap. Next, I'm putting the chopped soap into the bottle. Add each piece slowly so it doesn't get stuck at the mouth of the bottle. Cutting the soap into small pieces helps it dissolve faster when it meets the liquid. If we leave it in large pieces, the mixture will be hard to blend evenly and may clump when sprayed onto the headlight. Next, I take the glass cleaner. Pour it slowly into the bottle to soften the soap inside. The glass cleaner helps thin the mixture, makes it easier to spray, and helps carry away dirt on the headlight surface. Now, add baking soda into the bottle. Baking soda supports mild cleaning and helps increase the effect on the yellowing and residue on the outer surface. Continue by adding toothpaste into the bottle. Toothpaste has a very mild abrasive effect, so it is often used to polish plastic surfaces. Close the cap tightly. Shake well until all the ingredients blend together. This is the mixture we're going to test on the long-term yellowing of the car headlight. I use a drill to make a small hole in the bottle cap. This hole helps the liquid come out more evenly, just like a homemade spray bottle. Look closely at this headlight surface, and you can see the plastic has oxidized after many years of use. Besides the cloudy yellow color, the surface also has many small scratches. Now place the headlight in a tray so the water and liquid don't run everywhere. Spray water over the entire surface first. Use your hand or a soft cloth to wash away the dust and dirt on the outside. If there is still sand dust or hard grit on the headlight surface and you scrub right away, they can create new scratches. Wipe from the center out toward the edges. This is only the initial cleaning step because the real yellowing is still on the oxidized plastic layer. Now, I spray the mixture onto the headlight surface. Cover it evenly from the center out to both sides, especially the areas with the heaviest cloudy yellowing. Use your hand to spread the mixture evenly so it sticks to the entire surface. Don't scrub hard right away. We'll let the mixture sit on the headlight for about 15 minutes. After waiting long enough, I use a soft sponge to scrub the entire headlight surface evenly. Scrub in circular motions from the center, out toward the edges. The sponge helps spread the mixture more evenly without scratching the surface more. Scrub the corners and edges more carefully, because this is where a lot of dust, rainwater, and road grime builds up. When the mixture changes color, the dirt is being pulled away. Scrub for a few more passes, then rinse it clean with water. The headlight may look a little brighter, but it still won't be completely clear. The deeper oxidation still needs to be treated with wet sandpaper. Now switch to P1000 sandpaper. Spray water onto the headlight first, then wet the sandpaper as well. Sand very lightly and always keep the surface wet. Do not sand dry, do not press hard, and do not hold the sandpaper too long in one spot. P1000 will help remove the outer yellowed layer. You can see the water running down, looks slightly cloudy, and that is the oxidized plastic being sanded away. After a few passes, rinse it clean again. The yellowing has been reduced significantly, but the surface still has many scratches left by the sandpaper. Continue with P1500 sandpaper. This one is finer and is used to treat the larger scratches left after the P1000 step. Sand more slowly, more evenly, and always keep the sandpaper moving. At this step, the surface starts to become much smoother. The deeper scratches also begin to fade. The headlight may look temporarily hazy before it is polished back. Rinse the entire headlight surface clean. The yellow color has clearly been reduced, but to get better clarity, we need one more finer sandpaper step. Now, I spray more mixture onto the headlight surface. Then use P2000 sandpaper for the final wet polishing pass. This is the deciding step. If done correctly, most of the small scratches will disappear, and the surface will be ready for the final polishing step. Sand lightly and evenly without missing any area. Work in small sections to make it easier to control. If the headlight surface feels smoother and more even as your hand moves across it, that is a very good sign. Rinse it clean again with water. Everyone look closely at the surface right now. It isn't shiny yet, but the smoothness is completely different from the beginning. If you have ever restored headlights using another method, comment below and tell me which trick worked best for you. Now let's see how much clarity the polishing step can bring back. I apply a layer of Cana polishing compound to the headlight surface. Use a soft cloth or a clean sponge to polish the entire surface evenly. Rub in circular motions from the center area out toward the edges. Cana polishing compound helps smooth out the small hazy marks left after sanding. Just polish slowly and evenly. After a while, wipe it clean with a fresh cloth. Look closely. The headlight is starting to change clearly. The surface is clearer, it reflects light better, and the cloudy yellow color has been reduced a lot. Now I'm going to mix a light protective solution. For the finishing step, add a little glass cleaner into the bottle. Add a little dish soap to help clean the remaining oil and residue. Then add a few drops of baby oil. Baby oil helps the surface look glossier and gives it a clearer appearance. Close the cap and shake well. This is not a long-term professional coating, but in a DIY test at home, it helps the surface look glossier. Spray the solution onto the headlight. Use a soft cloth to wipe the entire surface evenly. Wipe in one direction first, then wipe again with a clean part of the cloth to avoid leaving streaks. After just a few minutes, the headlight looks much shinier. The clarity has also increased noticeably. Look at the reflection on the headlight surface, and you can see the difference compared to the beginning. With just a few easy-to-find ingredients and a little time, This old car headlight has been brought back significantly. From a yellowed, cloudy surface, full of small scratches, now it looks brighter, clearer, and much cleaner. If your car headlight is also yellowed, try this method before thinking about replacing it. Do you think this result is amazing? Leave a comment below. And don't forget to follow the channel to see more useful budget-friendly repair tips.